How to find a TikTok you just watched. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Activity Center. And then tap on Watch History. Here you can find your recently watched TikToks. Tap on any to view them. You can also filter the videos as you like from here. Following these steps, you can easily find a TikTok you just watched. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.